You have spent your hard-earned money on quality broiler chicks, you have your charcoal Jyco or stove ready, and you're hoping for a 2.5 kilo bird in 6 weeks. But then, you wake up on day 3, and find 5 dead chicks. More the next day. Charcoal brooding is one of the most cost-effective ways to keep chicks warm, but if you do it wrong, it's a death trap. Today, we're breaking down the lethal charcoal brooding mistakes that are killing your flock and exactly how to fix them. Mistake number 1, that silent killer, carbon monoxide. The biggest mistake isn't the heat, it's the air. Charcoal produces carbon monoxide, CO. It's odorless, colorless, and deadly, sealing the brooder house completely to keep the heat in. Chicks become drowsy, their lungs fail, and they die overnight. Always leave ventilation gaps at the top of the brooder. Hot air rises to let the toxic fumes out while the heat stays near the floor. Mistake number 2, fluctuating temperatures. Broilers are like babies, they can't regulate their own body temperature for the first 14 days. Charcoal is tricky because it starts very hot and then dies out. Loading the stove once and going to sleep. Chicks get chilled in the early hours of the morning, 3 a.m., leading to pneumonia and stunted growth. Use a curtain system to manage drafts. Refill charcoal late at night and check the chicks' behavior. Pro tip, if they are huddling under the stove, they are cold. If they are far away, they are too hot. Mistake number 3, direct heat and floor burns. You want a warm room, not a fried chicken. Placing the charcoal stove directly on the litter or too close to the chicks without a guard. Chicks get burnt, or worse, the dry wood shavings or sawdust catch fire. Place the stove on a raised brick base. And spread the heat using a heat reflector, a simple metal cap or sheet above the stove. Mistake number 4, dehydration from radiant heat. Charcoal stoves dry out the air fast. If your waterers are too close to the heat source, the water gets warm, the chicks won't drink it, and they dehydrate. Keep water fonts in the comfort zone, not directly next to the stove. Change the water at least 3 times a day to keep it cool and fresh. Charcoal brooding doesn't have to be a gamble. If you prioritize ventilation, consistency, and safety, you'll see those mortality rates drop to near zero. If you found this helpful, subscribe, like, comment, and share. At OHAD Mixed Agro Farm, we share real and practical farming tips, no secrets. Happy farming!